Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel server again. My name is Dr. Lokendra Singh and today I am going to discuss with you guys VPC, its subnet concept, the gateways, why do we use and how this thing work. So as I have already shown you the practical, but one of my students asked me that I need to explain the subnetting concept in core. Okay, so let's begin with that. So first of all, let us say that we have a VPC created. This VPC is created maybe in Ireland region, which is EU West 1. Now there are three availability zones. Very first one is EU West 1A, second one is EU West 1B, and third one is EU West 1C. This part for this tutorial I have taken for an example C idea 10.0.0.0/20. Now I have created 9 subnets out of it. So subnet 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, these are on /24 CI like net mask. Same here 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 7.8, and 9.0. So these are 9 separate subnets I have created. Keep this thing in mind. These regions are equal to availability zones. It means this region which is in Ireland region 1A. It means this is one availability zone. Ireland is one region, EU West 1, that is known as a region, and if that is 1A, B and C. So these are availability zones. So it is availability zone 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So now we need to create multiple subnets. Why it is so? I'm going to tell you that. For example, you want to create 2 web servers, so maybe 3 web servers. You have only single availability zone available with you. So what if you created 3 machines here? So let me create 3. So you have created these 3 machines here, and all the 3 machines are lying under the same subnet, and this availability zone goes down. What if this particular availability zone is not accessible due to some natural disaster, maybe some man-made error, or due to some other reasons? If this availability zone is not available, then what would you do? You can say that okay, I can create in different subnets. For example, you can create these machine in different subnets here. Very first machine in then 1.0, second machine is 2.0, and third one machine is in 3.0 subnet. But if you see this in detail, that all the subnets are lying under same availability zone. It means these 3 subnets are lying under same availability zone. So what you need to do here is, like if you need to make backup of this subnet, so what you will do here is you will create this machine under 4.0 and third one machine will be created under this availability zone. For example, if this one goes down, then these two availability zones are available. If this one goes down, then availability zone 1 and 3 are available. So this is how you need to design your infrastructure. Now let us talk about private and public subnet. All the subnets are created under same VPC. So how do we distinguish that why and what subnet is going to be in private or what subnet is going to be public? So that is segregated using your VPC. Either that is NAT Gateway. This I can choose NAT Gateway. Let me type in here NAT, N-A-T, NAT Gateway, and obviously second one is Internet Gateway. So this is NAT Gateway and this is Internet Gateway. It means IGW. Okay. So all the subnets, like as I have mentioned, is subnet association. So as soon as you associate any subnet with this route table, and on this route table we have a gateway. It means either NAT gateway or internet gateway we have. So route table 1, where these 3 subnets, it means 1.0, 4.0 and 7.0. It means 1.0, 4.0 and 7.0. So these subnets have public IP address available, and obviously anybody who wants to associate and who want to create machine, so person can associate public as well as private IP address on the top of this instance. Same thing like this subnet for 4.0 and 7.0, these particular 3 subnets have public IP address and private IP address both associated on the top of these instances. Moreover, when we are talking NAT gateway, so NAT gateway means these machines which are going to be created here. For example, if we create a machine here, so this machine will have only one private IP address and it will be able to access internet using NAT gateway. But no one should be able to access this machine from internet directly because this will not have any public IP address associated. Okay, one more thing. What if I need to create another subnet here? Maybe I want to have one private subnet here. So what I'm going to do here is I will do just like 10.0 maybe 10 dot 0/24. So as soon as I want new subnet to be created, so I can easily create, because these three subnets, obviously this will be created in separate row, because I don't have that much space available within this diagram. So this one will be created, and if I want to associate this with public subnet, so this will become public subnet. If I want to associate with this route table, so this will become private subnet. So that is how it works. Now let us talk about that. If you are sitting here somewhere on internet and you want to access this instance directly, so you need to associate this subnet where this machine is working under this route table, and which has VPC. Under this VPC, internet gateway is associated with this. If you want only to access internet on these instances, so those subnets which are supposed to be part of your private subnets, so those subnets has to be associated like explicitly with this route table, which is route table 2, and NAT gateway is associated with this. So this is how things work here, and obviously you can find the link within description box for all the videos available, all the things which I have already configured and which I have already shared with you guys. But this was on request, that how do we go for subnet association, like the concept of private and public subnet, why do we use route table, what is use of NAT gateway, what is use of internet gateway, if we need to increase number of subnets, so how can we increase. And one more thing, like we can have maximum 200, I will repeat it, maximum we can have 200 subnets per VPC. So this is it for this video, guys. If you have any further questions, so please do let me know. I shall be happy to assist you. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a good time, happy learning. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good time.